Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find a good niche on YouTube. I have found two ways to do this. One is free and is a little bit difficult. The other way is paid, and there is it very easy to find a good niche. Alright, the first way is the free way, and when you created a channel you have the option when you go to your settings, just right here in your studio, and then upload defaults, advanced settings, there is the category option. There you can see a lot of categories and choose one that you like. You have two options. If you give other people the jobs that will create videos for you, then it's not necessary what you pick. But if you want to create or start a YouTube channel with videos by yourself, then make sure that you choose something from this category. And if I found something like how to and style, I will search for videos like how to bake or something, test something. And you will see a lot of bake videos. And if you like this and you see that people are doing very big results with their views, you can maybe think, all right, let's try this out. Yes. And this costs you a lot of time, but this is the way how you can find a niche that maybe works for you. So you need to do a lot of research, and this costs you a lot of time. The second way is the way that I use, and I recommend everyone to do this, because if you use vidIQ, that is a nice extension for your Google Chrome. If you want to go to vidIQ very easily, then tap on the link in my description. There I can help you out. You can search for outliers, and outliers means videos that are performing very good and better than the normal videos. So we have a filter just right here. Now the outlier score around 0 and 100 plus is fine. But if you can see, we can do a lot of stuff. So I want small channels, so around 50k, between 0 and 15k, and with a lot of view amount. So now let's say around 0 and 1.5 million. That means that people with only 10 or now let's say 15k subscribers has 1.5 million views on their videos, and that's exactly the hype or the trends that you want to see. So now if we go to apply, we will see a lot of small channels that are getting a lot of views. So this channel right here has 1.5k subscribers and is getting 14k views. So maybe this will show you that this video right here will give you a trend on your channel and will increase your views. So now if you scroll down, maybe a bit further. Now look at this. This is a Fortnite video, and this is an 100 times multiplier outlier that still gets 60 views per hour. This dude got 330k views on a video with 5k subscribers. So this is incredible. So if you like Fortnite and you maybe want to create videos like that, now you know that if I create videos like this, it will definitely get me a lot of views. So this is the other way how you can search for niches right here. Maybe something with Formula 1. Yeah, you can choose a lot of niches just with this vidIQ extension on Google Chrome. Alright, if you have any questions about both ways, please let me know them in the comments, so I will help you out with everything. And if you like this or if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then thanks for watching.